Hi everyone, and welcome to Tech Scout. If you enjoy starting your day with a smoothie bowl, then a personal blender is definitely something you should have in your kitchen. These small but practical devices can easily blend fruits and vegetables without the hassle of setting up a full-size blender. Plus, you can remove the blending jar and use it as a to-go cup, which makes things super convenient. Personal blenders are usually designed for single servings, and they let you make a healthy drink even when you are on the move. But if you are more of an adventurous type, if you love camping, spend a lot of time outdoors, or are often driving around, finding an outlet to plug into can be a real challenge. That is exactly where portable blenders come in. These battery-powered devices are usually about the size of a water bottle, and the whole thing is designed to be carried around easily, including the motor, the blades, and the container. And we have a little surprise for you. Once we reach 1,000 subscribers, we will be giving away one of the products we reviewed, valued between $200 and $500. All you need to do to enter is click the subscribe button. If you are ready, let's get started. Number 5. NUTRIBULLET Best Budget Portable Blender. If you enjoy making single-serve smoothies but do not want to deal with big, complicated appliances, this model might be just right for you. Thanks to its compact design, you can easily prepare your protein shakes or fruit blends even when you are on the go. Its 12-ounce jar can create a smooth enough blend with leafy vegetables and fruits, which makes it an attractive option for those looking for solid performance on a budget. Of course, every product has its limitations. This one can struggle a bit when it comes to crushing ice. It may not be the best choice for fully ice-based recipes, but based on available tests, it seems to handle a few ice cubes just fine. On the plus side, it is pretty easy to clean. You can wash it by hand or place it in the dishwasher. However, be careful. The blade part is not dishwasher safe, so it needs to be washed manually. Overall, the NUTRIBULLET portable blender offers great build quality, practical use, and a very budget-friendly solution. It might not deliver high power, but for everyday use, it definitely gets the job done. Number 4. CUISINART EVOLUTIONX Cordless. Best for camping. If you often spend time outdoors, travel by camper, or just want to make a quick smoothie during your breaks, this model can definitely make your life easier. It might not blend as smoothly as a traditional countertop blender, but thanks to its portable design, you can still prepare healthy drinks even at a campsite. With a 16-ounce personal jar, a simple user experience, and a portable build, it really stands out. The jar also has a resealable lid, which means you can use it as a travel cup right after blending. Of course, there are some limitations. It has a bit of trouble fully liquefying fibrous ingredients. Leafy greens like spinach or kale or fruits with skin like blueberries may leave a few small bits in the mix. But what makes this device special is how powerful it is for something so portable. It has one of the longest battery lives on our list, offering about 20 minutes of blending on a full charge. The blade, motor, and jar are all separate parts, which makes it easier to clean without worrying about damaging the motor base. And it does more than just smoothies. It can also handle thicker recipes, like making smooth and spreadable nut butters with a full batch. That makes it the most versatile blender on our list. So, if you do not want to worry about finding an outlet on your next camping or road trip, and you are looking for a powerful yet flexible portable blender, the CUISINART EVOLUTIONX is definitely worth checking out. Number 3. NUTRIBULLET Flip Best for Portability. If portability is your top priority, the NUTRIBULLET Flip might be the blender you are looking for. Yes, it is a bit more expensive than other portable models, but the convenience it offers makes up for the price difference. With a 20-ounce jar, it is big enough to hold a full smoothie or protein shake, but still small enough to carry around easily. After blending, you can flip the blender over and drink directly from the spout on the motor base. Or, if you prefer, you can remove the motor base and attach the lid with the straw. These options make it really easy to use. It also blends fibrous ingredients very smoothly, which is not something you see often in portable blenders. Plus, you can choose between a plastic jar or an insulated stainless steel one. The stainless steel version will keep your drink colder for longer, but it is a little heavier. The battery lasts for about 7 minutes, which is about average for portable blenders. One thing to keep in mind is that you need to let the motor cool down after blending for 1 minute. Because of that, it is not the best choice for tough recipes like nut butter. Cleaning it is also a bit tricky since you cannot remove the blades from the base and you cannot immerse it in water. But to be fair, that is common with most portable blenders. Overall, the NUTRIBULLET Flip is a great option if you want to make smoothies or protein shakes while you are on the go. It is compact, powerful for its size, and offers a lot of flexibility for how you drink your blend. Number 2. Ninja Blast, Best Value Portable Blender. With its 18-ounce jar, the Ninja Blast is about the size of a water bottle, so it is easy to carry around wherever you go. While you cannot remove the motor base after blending, this design does not really make it harder to use. It also handles fibrous ingredients pretty well. Whether you are using spinach or blueberries, it can give you a smooth enough texture for a drinkable smoothie. Plus, it comes in more color options than most other portable blenders, which is a nice bonus. It does not come with a straw lid, but the spout opens with the push of a button, so you can easily sip with one hand while on the move. Battery life is also pretty solid. You get about 7.5 minutes of continuous use, or around 15 blending cycles of 30 seconds each. The jar and drinking lid are dishwasher safe, but just like similar models, the blades cannot be removed from the motor base, so they have to be cleaned by hand. Thanks to how well it blends fibrous ingredients and how easy it is to carry, the Ninja Blast has earned its spot as the best value portable blender on our list, especially if you live an active, on-the-go lifestyle. Number 1. NUTRIBULLET Pro 900, Best Overall. If you are looking for a powerful, easy-to-use blender that fits into your daily routine, the NUTRIBULLET Pro 900 might be just what you need. It comes with 2 different cups, one 32-ounce and one 24-ounce. And both can be used as travel cups thanks to the included lids. The classic bullet-style design means there are no buttons or modes. You simply twist the cup onto the motor base and it starts blending. Its performance with fibrous ingredients is truly impressive. It can turn leafy greens like spinach or kale into a silky smooth puree. It is also a great option for making small batches of thick recipes like nut butter, hummus, or dips. Thanks to its powerful 900-watt motor, it blends frozen fruit with ease and can even make a creamy frozen drink or milkshake. Of course, it has a few limitations. It is not designed to crush ice on its own, and it cannot be used with hot ingredients. There are no speed or timer settings, just an on or off. But for those who like simplicity, this can actually be a plus. Cleaning is pretty easy. The cups and lids are dishwasher safe, but the blades need to be washed by hand. One nice bonus is that it comes in 15 different matte and metallic colors, which adds a bit of fun to an otherwise practical appliance. The package includes a 32-ounce and a 24-ounce cup, one flip-top travel lid, and 2 lip rings, one of which has a mug-style handle. The only downside is that the 32-ounce cup might not fit in all car cup holders. But if that is an issue, you can always purchase smaller, compatible cups and extra accessories from NUTRIBULLET separately. Overall, the NUTRIBULLET Pro 900 stands out for its strong performance, ease of use, and reliability, making it the most well-rounded and ready for anything portable blender on the list. And that is a wrap. We hope this video helped you find the right portable blender for your lifestyle. Each model is designed for different needs. Whether you are sticking to a budget or blending on the go while camping, there is something here for you. Which one would you pick? Let us know in the comments. We would love to hear from you. If you have a favorite model that did not make our list, be sure to share it. If you are looking to buy one, check out the links in the description for more details and the best current deals. And if you have not subscribed yet, now is the perfect time. Hit that subscribe button, give the video a like, and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. We are also doing a giveaway at 1,000 subscribers. Do not miss your chance to win. Take care, and see you in the next one.